Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered while using our devices. The issue at hand is when our computers, phones, or tablets suddenly freeze or become unresponsive, leaving us feeling frustrated and stuck. Yep, you guessed it, we're talking about that pesky frozen screen problem. It seems to happen at the most inconvenient times, like when you're in the middle of an important task or watching a funny cat video. So, what's the solution to this irritating problem? Let's find out. The solution to the frozen screen problem is actually quite simple. When a device freezes, one of the best things you can do is perform a force restart. This involves pressing and holding down the power button, and sometimes the volume button as well, until the device powers off completely. After a few seconds, you can then turn it back on and hopefully, it will start working normally again. It's like a mini reboot for your device, giving it a fresh start to hopefully resolve the frozen screen issue. Remember, when in doubt, give a good old force restart. In some cases, if a force restart doesn't do the trick, you may need to look into other troubleshooting steps. This could involve checking for software updates, clearing out any excess apps or files that could be overloading your device, or even seeking help from professional technicians if the problem persists. The key is to be patient and thorough in your troubleshooting process, and hopefully, you'll be able to bid farewell to that stubborn frozen screen problem for good. To wrap things up, dealing with a frozen screen problem can be super frustrating, but with the right solution, like performing a force restart, you can often get your device back up and running smoothly in no time. Remember to stay calm, follow the steps we've discussed, and hopefully, you'll be able to avoid those pesky frozen screen moments in the future. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your own frozen screen horror story. Thanks for watching.